Alright, so this is a short video of the harmonic drives I'm using in my 6-axis robot. So it's got three components: the wave generator, which is right here, and it's actually not circular, it's an ellipse, and it's pressed into what's called a flex spline, which is flexible radially, and it will deform and take the shape of the ellipse once the wave generator is pressed in it. And then the fixed part here is the what's called a fixed spline, I think. It's just solid, and it has two more teeth than the flex spline. So as you rotate, you'll notice because of the ellipse shape, it deforms, the flex spline deforms, and because it's got two less teeth than the fixed spline, it ended up rotating relative to the fixed spline. So once the motor drives, the flex spline, which is attached to the joint, will end up moving relative to the fixed spline. So the reason for these, even though they are very expensive, it has no backlash, and this is reduced 50-to-1. Has a 50-to-1 reduction ratio, as you can tell from the number right here, 50, if this thing focuses. Right there. So anyway, that's how these things work. They're unbelievably precise. I mean, there is literally no give and no play in them, no backlash, zero backlash. That's up short. Anyway, the motor here, I made this bracket. Everything is 3D printed on the robot. It goes in there and it drives the wave generator, which in turn drives the joint. And there is no play whatsoever on these. Anyway, this is what I am using on this joint, as well as this joint, as well as this joint. This one has a hollow shaft. It's the same premise, but it's a hollow shaft. That's what I could find on eBay. The motor drives the center, and then the whole thing rotates. Same premise, there's no play whatsoever and no backlash.